Hello friends, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we are going to learn 20 vegetable names with their spellings and pictures. Let's start. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. First one is Ashgourd. A S H G O U R D. Ashgourd. Next vegetable is brinjal. B R I N J A L. Brinjal. Next vegetable is carrot. C A R R O T. Carrot. The next vegetable in our list is garlic. G A R L I C. Garlic. Next up we have ladyfinger. L A D Y F I N G E R. Ladyfinger. The next vegetable in our list is mushroom. M U S H R O O M. Mushroom. Next up we have onion. O N I O N. Onion. Next vegetable is potato. P O T A T O. Potato. The next vegetable in our list is radish. Spell R A D I S H. Radish. Next up we have spinach. S P I N A C H. Spinach. Next is tomato. T O M A T O. Tomato. Next vegetable is ridge gourd. R I D G E G O U R D. Ridge gourd. Next up we have cauliflower. C A U L I F L O W E R. Cauliflower. Next up we have P E A. Pea. The next vegetable in our list is cucumber. C U C U M B E R. Cucumber. Next is beetroot. B E E T R O O T. Beetroot. Next up we have cabbage. C A B B A G E. Cabbage. Next up we have broccoli. B R O C C O L I. Broccoli. Next up we have bean. B E A N. Bean. The last vegetable in our list is ginger. Ginger. Ginger.